Okay, so if you can't decide between the L'Oreal Tinted Serum Foundation and the L'Oreal 32 Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, then this video is for you. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a head-to-head comparison between the two popular foundation from L'Oreal, which is the Tinted Serum Foundation and the 32 Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, where we're gonna talk about their coverage, their application, because I tried out both of them currently on my face. Both the serums are right on the left side of my face. I have tried the Tinted Serum Foundation, whereas right side of my face is covered with the 32 Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. So we will do full comparison and which one should be there in your vanity. So without any further delay, we will quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you guys are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle on this channel, so take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's get quickly jump into the video. Okay, so as mentioned earlier, the side of my face has this L'Oreal Tinted Serum Foundation. Let me talk about the texture of this one first. So we will be comparing first on the basis of the texture and the coverage. Okay, so just like the name suggests, it's a skincare with a little bit of hint of tint going on right here. So this one is very lightweight. It's so easy to blend it and it's just got this water-like texture, and it's very useful for the everyday go-to look of yours. So it's like a skincare but then has some coverage, which gives you a very light to medium coverage right there. While the L'Oreal Infallible 32 Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, which is on my this side of the face, she is a glam girl, okay? She gives you that full beautiful coverage right there. It has this medium to high coverage, and this one is also very liquidy, but this foundation got a little bit of thicker formulation than of course the Tinted Serum Foundation, which will give you a very beautiful high coverage. It's got this medium to high coverage, and for those glam days it will cover everything right out, and it's a very long lasting foundation at the same time. So talking about the application and finish, this side of my face is more like glowy for that everyday no makeup look. It got very beautiful but subtle coverage right there, and it's very comfortable to wear. I can really feel the difference that you will do so if you wear and do a makeup like half and a half situation. But anyways, it's for that very sheer coverage and everyday wala look. Whereas this side of my face, you can really see it has that very beautiful, picture perfect blurred out effect right there. It got this nice radiant matte finish that this foundation provides right there. This moreover got a higher coverage than this, which is why it looks more blurred out and more finished look on camera. So as mentioned, it's your choice for which occasion you are using it, and as per your choice you can choose in between. So that was pretty much of the application and the finish that you can clearly distinguish between. Now if I talk about the wear test, I have tried both the foundation. This one ka wear test is also there on my channel itself, which is this right here I have done, and this one off camera I tried. It lasts for like good 6 to 8 hours, although this one needs a little bit of touch-ups with the setting powder and all, whereas this one will last you the whole day. The 32 Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the wear test definitely wins, and also it claims the same. This one doesn't claim, doesn't work. Like whatever the claimings are that are true, those are true rather. So it does not need any kind of touch-ups or whatsoever. It's sweat proof, and I have tried out the wettest as well, where I went for the evening walk and came back without even my makeup got botched or something. So has its own benefits, and which type of coverage basically you like and how many hours you want to try it. So as per your choice, you can definitely choose in between. So if I talk about the skin type suitability, I believe that that's my opinion completely. But what I think is that if you are a dry skin to sensitive skin, then the tinted serum foundation is dream. Let me tell you why. It got 1% hyaluronic acid, which gives you that entire hydration that you need for the entire day rather. So it has 1% hyaluronic acid, which makes sure it gives you that proper hydration that the dry skin to the sensitive skin needs. And if you are having this oily to combination skin and you want your makeup to last very long in the humidity or events, then you can definitely go for the Fresh Wear foundation. That will do all the job. So if we talk about the packaging and the shade range, so this one got this glass bottle with a dropper applicator, which is slightly, I don't find any preference because I like both of them because it's being very liquidy. I think the dropper applicator goes right hands on hands and there's no problem in it. Sometimes only you can like this. Sometimes it can get a little messy if you are not paying full attention, but the dropper application मुझे कुछ भी ऐसा problem नहीं लगता है. But the thing is that the dropper is also of glass, so make sure that ये तुम्हारे हाथ से छूट ना जाए because अब break होने का chances बहुत ज़्यादा है इसमें. While this one I got this pump applicator right there. It's very easy to use. इसमें ज़्यादा apply भी नहीं होगा. Only the amount you need, एक दो करके pump आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. There's a teeny tiny possibility कि आप इसको ज़्यादा use up कर लो because of the applicator. You do not have control on, whereas this one you have full control on the pump. So ये ज़्यादा मतलब waste भी नहीं होगा if you know how many pumps you need. But अगर आपने ज़्यादा pump निकाल लिया, then you cannot put it back. Where this one you can do that, which is not really advisable. Now coming to the shade range, this one got almost 6 to 7 shades only, whereas this has like 15 shades in India and globally actually more than that. So I think the shade range, I was very skeptical at first because I saw Malvika Siklani using the this medium shade of tinted serum foundation, but she is considered as fair skin girl. So I mean, I was little doubtful, but I tell you, if you are taking this or the next one is a tan one, I think both, for if I give my skin as a reference, I think both will work good because it's so lightweight, gives that sheer like coverage. So according to your preference, how you want the base to be very illuminating or a little bit of your natural warm out tone, you can choose in between. And this one I think 15 shades, which is, I believe it's also less because see, globally they're more, I don't know actually, because honestly speaking both are great, but they serve very different purposes. So I use this tinted serum foundation for my everyday errands and work from home days, whereas this one for the shooting and those glam makeup look right there. And I hope you got a little bit of clarity by now. So that's pretty much of this video. I will see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much.